Okay, guys, so this is a how to use Camtasia to edit in the basics of the program. When you open it up, this is the screen that you're going to see, and because I've got this box checked right here, show this dialog at startup. You can uncheck it if you want, but this is what I've got mine set to because four major components. You can record the screen, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm recording this screen. You can also record your voice narration. You can record a PowerPoint, and you can import your media and edit your videos. So let's import a video that I want to work on. Okay, so there's my video. So right click and just click add to timeline. Okay, it's going to ask you what dimensions do you want your video to be. Honestly, the easiest thing is just go with the automatic. It's going to create it for you. I think that's that's really what you need. You can go in and you see they've got YouTube and recommended for your BlackBerry and your web, but I just stick with automatic. It's just easiest. If you want to deal more with the dimensions, then there you have it. That's where you can make it happen. Okay, so first thing in here, guys, you can create a title clip. Okay, so when you click on more, you can add cursor effects. So let's go through cursor effects. Yeah, and so this video doesn't have any cursor effects, but if it did, you can see here, you can highlight it, you can spotlight it, you can magnify it. Okay, so it's got if you want to bring attention to a particular thing and have people following over your mouse, okay, that's where you could do it. Your cursor, excuse me. Alright, in here you can actually, let's go through library. You can actually save things to your library, so then you don't have to keep reinventing the wheel. So if you have an intro, like I've got an intro to one of my websites on here, and so I can just add that video to the timeline. They've also got some default stuff in here where they've got different audio tracks that you can add to your video. There are also video intros in here that you can add, and all you do is just simply right click. You can preview it. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so you can preview it. And enter the title, what have you, and then put in your information that you need in there. Okay, so your library, you can add stuff to your library. Callouts. So let's go over callouts real quick. You can see there's a bunch of different types in here. And just go through and play with it. You can add an image to your callout. Okay, and just go in and find, add an image. You can do a like an invisible one, and you can add your whatever on here. Okay, and see, the thing is down here, let's make this bigger. I haven't decided what I'm going to put into this video, but okay, I haven't decided what I'm going to share in here, but here you can make it bigger. So let's increase the size. Okay, let's change the color so I could see it. Okay, bam. And so you see down here is your call out. Okay, video number one is the video. Then this line right here is any call outs that you add, and then audio one is the audio that goes with your video. Okay, so here how you can actually edit this is just simply take this side right here and extend it. So you can see I can make this go the whole time here. Okay, make it as long as you want to. You can also right click and do the same thing, call out duration, and put the amount of seconds that you want it to be. Okay, so that's a quick and easy way to add the call outs. So just go through the different effects and you can add the ones that you want. If you want the blurred, to add a blur, if you need to blur out something, so just play around. There's a bunch of different call outs in here. It's really, really cool. Let's delete that one. Remove from timeline. Okay, now guys, let me show you how to edit your video. Okay, really quickly how to edit your video. So what you're going to do is, you see this little timeline here, this little ticker, this piece right here. This goes, you can see this moves and this moves. So as your video's playing, this tracking is going, and this is going as well. For you to edit your video, all you're simply going to do is take this red part right here, okay, you see this right here, and double click and pull, okay, and pull it as far as you need to. So if you've got like a glitch where, you know, it's messed up or something's not right, you need to edit that part out. So you can see we just extended it, and then go right here to these scissors and cut. Okay, and it will cut that portion of your video. I'm going to undo that because I don't want to cut that. I didn't go through and read, listen to it. You can easily undo, so if you mess up, and then bring it back together. Okay, if you decide that you don't want to do that, you don't want to remove that. So that's how you cut and you edit your video. Really, really easy. Okay. Another thing is, let's say you want to let's add a title clip. Okay. Let's go up here. Let's add a title clip and just click on more, title clip. We'll add a clip. Now see, what's going to happen is it's going to either go to the end or the beginning, because this right here, this video is not, it doesn't have any spaces in there. So meaning if you want to actually put if you want to add a title clip or something else in the mix of your video, okay, you need to split the video. So let's put a split right here. And just click that little button right there, split. Once I put a split right there, I can insert something else. So I can add another title clip to it and put, this is a title clip. On here, guys, you can edit this. You can put an image back here if you want to. Okay, so you can put an image on your title clip. You can play with it. You can put an image. You can change the background, the fill color, the font color, all that good stuff. Here's the fill color down here. So I could change it to red. Okay, which you're not going to see because this picture is up there. Let's take the image off, and there you go. There you can see the red now. Okay, so that's how you can add something in between your video, is you're going to have to split it. Okay,